Good morning. This is Dr. Ken Long from Tortoise Capital Management with an overview of our curriculum. Our mission is to help you learn to trade one trade at a time. We've got over 40 years and 100,000 man hours of professional experience in the markets, and we trade all kinds of targets in every time frame. For 27 years, I've been a primary instructor for the Van Tharp Institute. I would have you focus on those four questions. How many people know what to do? How many people then do it? How many people do it without knowing? And if you don't do it, does it matter if you know it? We believe that what you do is what you know. We're here to help you learn to trade one trade at a time every day. We think you should learn to survive and then thrive. How? We believe trading is a professional craft that's learned by doing under supervision with coaching. Where should you start? Depends on where you are in your trading journey. You can begin trading immediately with our sniper trading system, a framework, an approach, a method that's appropriate for any and every skill level. If you have some skills already, you can develop a personal system following our principles with the course taught by Ableway Tech, which is a couple of my students who have been through my programs. I've supervised them in the construction of that course and certified them as traders and coaches. Experienced traders should start with the Foundations course, which is really 4 courses in one. It's a boot camp that provides basic training in screens, indicators, patterns, and psychology. A psychology course that focuses on self-awareness to help you develop objectives. Psychology 2 are 10 experiential learning exercises that help you manage and leverage trading stress. The 37 strategies is a broad overview of all our edges and approaches for all targets and all timeframes. Experienced traders can also jump right in and take focused courses on day trading, swing trading, core trading, and the hybrid trading course, which pulls all that together. I believe seasoned professionals should also consider taking our Creativity 202 course. That's a world-class science-based creativity course that's packed with insights with our partner from Ohio State University, the world-renowned expert, Professor Angus Fletcher. This is cutting-edge training that's been adopted by the U.S. Army and traders worldwide. We have over 100 hours of live collaborative coaching sessions with European and U.S. cohorts, in addition to the 35 detailed weekly lessons that feature experiential learning, group coaching, and mutual collaboration. By all accounts, this is transformational, and I'm very proud of that course. Professional money managers should also consider our comprehensive toolkits and options course for TC 2000, TradeStation, Thinkorswim. The options course was designed by one of my students, a world-class options trader and professional money manager, who has geared those 11 lessons directly in support of our specific Tortoise strategies. And finally, if you're a Forex trader, consider joining Dr. Eric Morrison's group and learn how to automate your Forex trading. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I look forward to being of service to you and working with you in the future. Take good care.